In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name on Otter.ai. Changing your name on Otter.ai is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step to make it as smooth as possible. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to log into your otter.ai account. You can do this by heading to their website and entering your credentials. If you've forgotten your password, there should be a Forgot Password option that can help you reset it. Once you're logged in, you should see your dashboard. At the top left corner of your screen, you'll notice your profile picture. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring up a list of options related to your account. From this menu, you're going to select Account Settings. This is where you can manage all the personal information linked to your account. In the Settings menu, you'll be looking for an option labeled Profile or Personal Information. Different platforms might have slightly different names for it, but the purpose remains the same. It's where your personal details are stored. Now, once you've found either Profile or Personal Information, click into it and you should see your current first name and last name displayed there. Right next to your name, look for a little pencil icon, which is often used to indicate an edit function. Clicking on this pencil icon will open up the fields where your current name is set. Here's where the fun part comes in. You can now enter your new first name and last name. Be sure to double check your spelling to avoid any accidents. It might seem like a small detail, but having your name accurately reflected on your account just makes things easier. After entering your new information, all that's left to do is save the changes. Look for a Save button, typically located at the bottom of the screen or at the corner of the name field. Clicking this will confirm your changes and update your profile with the new name. And that's it. Your name on Otter.ai has been successfully updated. It's important that you log out and back in to ensure that your name change reflects across the platform. This process should only take a couple of minutes, but it's a simple yet effective way to keep your records up to date. If you run into any issues during this process, don't hesitate to check out the help section on their website or reach out to customer support, as they can offer further assistance. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this one. See you in the next video.